Hi, this is Linking Yellow, and I'm going to be trying a Let's Create, I think they're called. Um, I've been, I guess, sort of challenged is the best way to put it, to create a sort of do-it-yourself Rube Goldberg machine. And yeah, I've got a few ideas for it. First of all, um, I don't know why I actually got into this, but I'm going to start off by testing some ideas in Hammer. I want to create a wrecking ball and also create a new version of the paint gun. I don't have BMod on this. Well, I would uh I would pause and skip ahead till when I get into Hammer, but I don't have it installed, and I'm thinking some people might be interested in actually seeing how to install it. So I'm going to Tools, Portal 2, Authoring Tools Beta. It's usually somewhere down here. I put in my favorites. Alright, and it's pretty much that easy to just install it. I don't have anything already, so I'm creating everything from scratch in here. Um, let's start off by creating a empty room with a wrecking ball. uh, um, 1 second. So let's get a texture. Why not this? Alright. Duh. Make hollow. Alright. It's been a while since I've done this. Yes, oh, I've got this old view. Textured poly. No, ew. Can I? Ah, good. I think. Sort of. No. Alright. Wrong one. I hope. Is this it? Yeah, that looks right. I think. Yeah, yeah, okay. There we go. Okay. Filled polygons. No. Is it textured polygons? Here we go. Okay, and I controlled Z to try to undo that thing before. So I'll make that hollow again. And let's see. If I ungroup these, now I can select each face. All right, and I'm back. All right, so I don't have any of this lighted right now. I don't know what I've already said so far, so just gonna try to say everything. Uh, I've not lighted this pretty much to save on performance. Um, the stuff I was doing on the outside was also to save on performance, where I was switching the textures. Um, Up at the top there is let me SV cheats one. All right, up here at the top where this starts, that's where I created the rope move, or the move rope, I think it is. And down here at the bottom is the keyframe rope. And this material right here is the chain that I had chosen. Apparently it doesn't work, so I actually was coming in to test to see what this came up as for the rope. Okay, so okay, that's still working. Alright, so this is the keyframe, this is the move, pretty much the 2 points for the rope. You can see the rope illustrated by, I get lost, by this red-green line that stretches between them. Alright, but I need to find a different, just got distracted by something. I need to find a different rope material. This isn't gonna work. Cable. I don't see anything in here. Huh. I'll just use the rope. It should work. I was hoping to have two different types of ropes. One for starting it off as a weak type of rope, like what this is, and then another one that's heavy duty that won't cut. But I'll show you what I'm talking about when I get more to that. All right. So I'm gonna create the wrecking ball now. Don't want it to be no draw. Let's see. Metal. Huh. Let's try that. Maybe. No. Ooh, what's this? Let's try that. Alright. It's a little bit bigger than I was thinking. Oh, no, this is pretty good. I was just pretty well zoomed in. Alright. And if I actually had created a sphere, I usually find that different parts of it will disappear and it just messes up. I don't like doing it that way. But there's a way in here. Let's see. There's a way with this to yeah. Divide? No. There's a oh yes. Okay. And so what this does is this makes it look round. Well, it's actually still a whole square. It looks like it's round. So that's a pretty convenient way of doing things. It's still okay. You're still hearing me. This is my first time using this mic, so I'm sorry about that huge bit of silence earlier. I I was talking. um, Apply. Okay. All right, now I need another object. Okay. And let's see, what was this? Socket? Physics ball socket, I think. Yeah, that looks right. All right. No. Let's see. Um, Rope socket. Here we go. Okay, and I think these are the two objects that I need to constrain together. So I'll do this keyframe right here for the rope for entity 1, and for entity 2 I'm going to do the ball, which, yeah, I need to make that an entity. So I'm going to make it a fizzbox. Fizzbox. Here we go. And wrecking ball. And okay, looking to see if there's any way I can increase its density. No, I don't see how to do that. Alright, I've been spending a lot of time in Project Spark where it would allow me to do stuff like that. But okay, let's get that as the second entity now that it is an entity. Yeah. Okay, now let's center these two objects a bit more. Make them easier to work with. Okay, so I'm going to try that now. Run. Huh, displacement found. Not supported. Uh-huh. Right. Okay. It's more than one way to skin a cat. Okay, so detail. Okay, hopefully I can select that instead. No, that doesn't have a name though. Huh. Ooh, brush. Maybe a brush. Funk brush. Let's see. Wrecking ball ghost. That looks good. Alright. I'm going to attach this to the ghost. No, that's not going to work. It's not going to work the way I want it to. So maybe I do have to try to make it an actual sphere. That's going to be difficult. Snow 1. Okay. Looks like I need to recreate that. I'd have to anyway. Okay. Object. Yeah. Objects. Create a sphere instead. Yeah. Ugh, that's ugly. That is ugly. That's ugly. Alright. Let's try something smaller. Still pretty ugly. Oh, how does that look if I'm not touching it? Yeah, not too bad, I think. Yeah, let me try that. I'm doing Control T to make it an entity, where it was just a regular brush in the first place. Alright, so now it's a fizz box. Oops. Funk fizz box. Okay. I don't know why I want to always put a H in there. What's a wrench? Okay. Wrecking ball. Alright, put that back as a regular wrecking ball. And let's see if this works. Save to run. Alright. Okay, this is working now. Alright. Map wrecking ball test. Here we are. Alright, so hopefully, if I throw myself into this and stop the no clipping right before I get into it, I'm hoping that it'll push the ball and it'll actually swing. So let's see if this works. It didn't look like it swung. Could have also been the fact that it's pretty big and I'm pretty small. Oh yeah, that's definitely swinging. Oh yeah. Yeah, alright. Okay, so that's working. Except for the fact that the rope still looks awful. It also seems to be coming from nowhere, so I'll put that in the ceiling. And I'll definitely want to fix the texture there. But besides that, I think I've gotten this to work. Now I want to get it so that I can have it like hooked up around here and like with an extra rope connecting it, so when you cut the rope then it swings down. I want to have it so like a cube is down here, and I also want to make it so that I can somehow reattach the string to the wrecking ball, so that's going to take a bit of work and a bit of figuring out. Alright, I think while I experiment with that a bit, I'm going to do that without recording to save on space and to save on your time a bit. That's going to take forever to try to figure that out. Alright, so see you later. It'll actually probably be a few seconds for you. Yeah, more like no seconds. Just thought I'd say that. So because I'm actually still getting used to the equipment here, with my new recording software that I have and the headset that I have, I'm going to be adding the parts without video and the parts without sound together, just to make it shorter and to make it seem less like you're just listening to something without watching anything. Sorry about that. But yeah, there's pretty much. Hopefully you won't see any of this, but there's big chunks where I don't have any sound going, and big chunks where I don't have any. Well, you'll see the parts without sound going, I'm pretty sure, but big chunks where there's no video going either. Well, I'll try to minimize both of those as much as possible. Yeah. After some testing, I have found that this whole concept is not going to work the way I thought of it. So so I'll try to find a way to actually get it to swing on the rope. This might not work. I may have to abandon this idea completely. I've got some other ideas that I can work with, but I would really love a wrecking ball. Oh, it would just be so awesome. Well, I'll uh, I'll update this when when I get some more luck with this. Alright. Okay, I think I've gotten this to work. Eh, sort of. It's a good start. So pretty much what I did is instead of having the socket over here, where the rope is connected, I actually had the socket placed up here, and it connects the rope starting position with the ball right here. So that's working pretty well, except for the fact that the rope is randomly attaching to the side. But I'll fix that. Let's see if it can automatically roll. Okay, yeah, I've got a few ideas of how to fix that. Alright, another update. Now I've done pretty much the same thing with this one. I've set it so that when I press one of these buttons down here, um, this will snap and this will be able to just roll through. This button right here. Yeah, okay, now I just need to find a way to reattach it. And then when I finish with that, I'm gonna... oh, that's so cool, you can actually see the rope. Anyway, after that, after I get that working, if I can get it working, I'll, um, I'll then start getting working on more stuff on screen. Alright. Alright, so what I have here is I haven't actually gotten it to work yet, but I think I figured out how to do it. Just as I was about um, to show you how to do it, I had to go and take care of something. But yes, so hoping I remember everything. But pretty much we've got the rope starting here and the ball and socket here, which is attached to the uh, the wrecking ball right here, and respective keyframe. And we also got the ropes and the ball and socket coming from here too. So pretty much what I have in mind is when this ball and socket is turned off, which can be done with this button right here. I think no, I haven't done that yet. When it's turned off, pretty much the rope won't snap, but it'll lengthen so that it continues to come to this keyframe right here. And I'm thinking like if I have some sort of uh, rope winding station up here, it can look pretty cool. And so my idea for actually getting it to pull back is here I can turn this thing right here into actually Control N. Ooh, wrong. Ooh, um, er, how awkward. All right. So I guess that didn't do it. All right. So Control M. Here it is. Rotate. So I can turn this into a funk push. So this fizz box right here, this wrecking ball, will get pushed this way. Still constrained by the ball and socket here, and then I can try to figure out how long it'll take till this is at its peak, and when it is at its peak, I can use that time to turn this ball and socket back on, and when it is back on, it'll pretty much look exactly like how it started. Hopefully. So here I've got it set so that when this does roll down, this will hit this. I want to make sure that it does get to the exact same position. Um, if it doesn't, then this could be hit into to different distances, which I wouldn't like that. Um, yeah, as for getting this back up here, that'll be part of the do-it-yourself Rube Goldberg stuff. Alright, so first of all, let me get this. Add on button press. The rope socket, turn off, turn off. Okay. And Control T, and Control T turns it into an actual object. Entity, that's the word for it. It's been a while since I've used this. Alright, so yeah, func push? No. What is it? Push? Trigger push. That's it. Oh yeah. I remember what I use for these, for the textures. It's the trigger texture. So browse. Yeah. I don't want it to look solid. I mean, even though it wouldn't show up, I like to have these just kind of invisible so that I'm not mistaking them for actual platforms. Alright. So, name return push. Why not? And see, start disabled. Yes. Push direction. Which direction is that? Let's take a look here. This will be that way. So push direction that way. It's 180. Okay. That'll hopefully do it. And let's add another one here. On press. Let's return push. Is it enable? I think it's enable. With a delay of 1 second. And let's copy and paste this. Return push. Disable with oh, I'm pressing the wrong one. Okay. So delete this into this. Okay, this is the one that lets it go. Or oh, I think I copied and pasted them. Oh no. Oh, okay. I think I just put the same thing. Alright, so this should have been turned on. I'm starting to get tired. Alright. Turn on with the delay of 1. Apply. Add. On press. Push. Let's see. Enable with nothing. And then get another one where it's disable with 1. Let's see if this pushes the right direction. Where is it? Oh, it's up here. Disable with a delay of 1. Okay, so I'm going to test now to see if it's in the right direction and if everything works properly. Alright, let's try this now. This button. Well, it kind of missed the cube, but that's alright with me. Alright. Ooh. Ooh. That was interesting. Let me restart this. Just kind of get a feel for what position it's at. How do I restart this? Load last save. That'll probably do it. Or it could dump me on some other random level. Oh, good. Alright, so this is about at that bright mark right there. Alright. Boom. And it is now very close. A little higher, I wasn't expecting that. Alright, I think I'll leave it in that general form. But when I actually do put this into the actual level, I'll probably want to, let's see. Yeah, I'll probably want to give this a lot of room for getting it to work. I want to make sure that this works every time. So, but this is the wrecking ball. The wrecking ball. I'm getting tired. All right, so I'm gonna create the what is it? The gun. What is that gun? It's a paint gun. Paint gun. I'm gonna create the paint gun. That I believe I can do while you're around. That I believe I can do while recording. It shouldn't be too hard, except for the fact that I'm starting to go brain dead. So, when it gets to a certain time at night, it's kind of hard to think, but I've been kind of busy today with other things as well. So, but I will not quit before I finish what I want to finish today. So, yeah, get started on that. Alright, so let me check if this is working. Oh, get that out of the way. Alright, so I'm going to want to make this specific paint gun button controlled. Alright, so let's get a couple of these in. This button. Yeah. Prop button. Here we go, right at the top. Alright. Portals on. Okay. And also a button. And this one, portals off. After I apply. This one, portals off. Alright. Let's rotate these because these are a little ugly the way they are. Now let me do that a bit neater. Alright. Control M. Haha. Rotate another 90 degrees. There we go. Okay, so portals on. Actually, I won't mess with inputs and outputs just yet. Let's get some sprayers. What sprayers are? Let me put it in here first. Sprayers. Info paint sprayer. Pretty much this is the part of the paint emitter that actually sprays the paint. So I can take this separately. So let's call this paint blue. Why not? Alright. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to start off with just one, just for the sake of testing things out. Okay. Let's create a game UI. What this does is this makes it so that different inputs and outputs can come from right-clicking, left-clicking. I don't know about jumping. There's something else that can do jumping if this one can't. Um, hmm. So, in the ground. I don't like that. Alright, and in the flags here I should be able to... Alright, I think I'm gonna have to restart this. It's not giving me the proper information. Alright. Where am I? Oh, okay. That didn't actually help it. Game UI, right? Hmm. Nothing in the nothing in. Is this right? Let me just switch to something else. Game UI. Oh, oh. Okay, here we go. Oh. This deactivates use, hides the weapon, freeze player, and jump deactivates. Don't want either of those. Okay. I was thinking that there was something else that deactivated creating portals, but I guess that's not there. But there's another thing that will work for that. Let's see. It's a weapon strip. Strip. Okay, here we go. Player weapon strip. And let's name this de-weaponify. Why not? Okay. I don't think I named this. Alright. Paint interface. Okay. I want that to be above the ground just for my own sake. Alright. So, oh yeah, I need one more. I think. Maybe two more. I'll figure that out as I go. Sit. Let's see, is it in here? New. I don't remember the name of it. Let's take a look through here. There's a lot of stuff in here. Ooh, maybe an environment thing? No. It's not a filter. Let's see. I don't think it's a func. No. I don't think it's a game. Info. I think it's an info. Let's see. Info hint. Landmark. Lighting. Node. And no. Info particle placement. Info target. Port. Okay. Logic. Yeah, I think it's a logic. I've probably said something like that quite a few times. Player proxy is the one that does the jumps. Let's see. It's not an NPC, I'm pretty sure of that. It's not paint. I don't think it's physics. player point, maybe a point. Survey template. Okay. It's not a prop, I know that. Let's skip over props. Okay. It's not a script. Tank train, no. Not a VGUI. I didn't see it. Okay, I'm gonna quickly look up what the name of it is. Okay, so I think I found. Let me make sure this is recording. I've had so many problems. Okay, so logic measure. There we go. Logic measure move. I thought it was a lot. I thought it was a logic. Okay, so apply and let's see. Paint measure. Okay, and let's see. Measure reference. Want to be player. Entity to move. To see. Paint blue. Movement reference player. This may need to be lowercase p. I don't know if that's case sensitive, but I know I've done it with lowercase p before. Movement scale 1, measure type position. This will also measure, well, what this does right here is this takes the paint blue, the sprayer right here, and it pretty much attaches it to the player in a way where if the player looks up, so does the sprayer. If the player looks to the right, so does the sprayer. You could parent the sprayer to the player, but that won't get the sprayer to actually look up and down. So I tried that at first. It didn't work. Alright. So, let's see. It's time for inputs. So, thanks to this thing right here, the blue sprayer is always going to be parented uh, or attached to the player, which is a good thing. I hope it's going to do that. Alright. Alright, this is portal on. No, I want the portal off. This one is... Okay. Okay, on pressed. This one is going to deactivate the portal gun and make it use the portals. Okay. Ooh. There's something else I want to do first. Okay. Let's create a couple of portal guns. Let's see. Portal gun. Here we go. Weapon portal gun. Alright, this one cannot fire either of the portals. Okay, this one is paint gun. Alright, show potato doesn't actually work. It would be cool. I do know of a way of how to get the potato to show. Using, I don't remember the name of it, but it's something that lets you pretty much do stuff with the developer console. Alright, I have used it before. That looks good. Flags. Yeah, that looks fine. Alright, and this one right here will be the portal gun. Portal gun. I don't know why that works, but I'm not complaining. Let's see. Portal gun. Alright. Both of these on, and yeah, it looks fine. Okay, so let's get a template. Point template. Okay, for template 1, I want paint gun, and for template 2, I want the portal gun. Okay, and here's an entity maker. Entity maker. Alright. Name portal placer. No. It sounds like it's placing actual portals. Gun. Give. Yeah, sure. Alright. Point template to spawn. Ooh. Okay, so I'll want 2 of these then. Gun, give, portal. No, I think this is actually just gun give. I don't think I have to specify that point, because now I'm doing the specific point. Did I? I don't think I named that. Okay. Okay. Gun, give, template. Alright. So, it looks fine. So, gun give template. Okay, speed, direction, flag, no auto spawns, no force spawns. Wait, only thirst room if the player isn't looking. No, don't need those. I think I need one more. Something. Creator. No, there's no creator. Entity. New. I was pretty sure there was one more object. Alright. Do I have a random message that I've gotten? Rattly. Okay. Alright. So yeah, he was asking about something that my brother made. Alright, so I'm looking for a way to get this to actually place on the player. Okay, so let's see. I think that the entity maker here spawns on the entity maker itself. So let's use another logic measure movement. Do that with the entity maker, I'm thinking. Okay, gun give. Let's try that. Alright. So, wait, which one was the portal gun? Which one was the paint gun? Okay, template 1 is the paint gun. So, this one outputs, on pressed, entity maker, gun give. Let's see. Force spawn. Okay, let's give this a delay of 0.01. And add another one button press. Template give. New. Maybe just gun give. I'm looking for a way to specify which template it's spawning. Okay. Doesn't seem to give that option. Okay, I may have to use 2 sets of these then. Cancel. Okay. Get rid of that. Alright. Ungive paint. This one, ungive paint template. Alright, ungive paint. Alright, portals off, outputs, ungive paint, then force spawn. Okay, and then I won't need anything for that. And let's turn on the UI. When button pressed. Let's see, I think that one's the UI. Paint interface. There we go. And activate. So let me just give that a try. I just realized this isn't actually ready. Is this working? Yeah, this is working. Alright. Yeah, there's one thing that it needs to do. No, the UI. Okay, the UI here. Let's see. Outputs. Add on player attack. So this is on left click. The sprayer. Let's see. Start. There we go. And add again on unpress attack 1. Let's see. Unpress attack. Here we go. And then the sprayer, and then stop. Here we go. And I think that should work. Oh, let me just set some of the settings here so I can test 2, maybe 3 or 4 birds in one shot. I like birds. I still like shooting them down. No, just kidding. Birds are nice. Let's see. Okay, so this will be bounce. Blobs per second. Oh, definitely a lot more than 1. Try 20. And minimum speed 10,000, maximum speed 5,000. No, 50,000. Excuse me. You can't have the maximum above the minimum. That'd be weird. Okay, let's take the streak. Time to 0. No streaking at all. Because when it goes that fast, even the smallest amount of streaking just goes crazy. So, blob streak. Dampen the minimum speed dampening while streaking. What does that mean? The minimum speed while streaking. I don't want any streaking. Maybe this will help. Or it could just ruin everything. Could streak all the way. Hope not. Let's see. Anything important in flags? No. Okay, so now I'll see you in. Alright. So let's test this out. Oh yeah, and one of them isn't a template anymore. Let's pick this up just for the sake of testing things. This is the regular portal gun. Press this. And, oh, I forgot to do the weapons strip. However, Okay. So the paint is not... It's not focused on me. Alright. Troubleshoot that real quickly. Alright. Well, let me check if this is working. It doesn't always work. I've probably mentioned that a few times now. Alright. So, why isn't this working? It wouldn't be that one. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Alright, no flags. Measure. Oh, entity to measure. Here we go. I forgot this. Player. Oh, let me take out the capital P just in case that's important. Alright. And yeah, I want to do the same thing for this one. Forgot the exclamation mark. And see, I also need the weapon strip. Is that this is this one? Okay. So here we go. Outputs, add on press, weapon strip, de-weaponify. I love that. Alright, strip. There we go. And then let's force spawn with 0.01 so that it's not giving it and stripping it at the same time. Alright, that should work. Alright, I'll see you in game. Alright, let's see if this one works. Okay. Regular portal gun. No portal gun. Oh, oh. Oh no, it's just down. Okay. Okay, so neither really worked. Alright, let me troubleshoot a little more. Alright, well, first of all, I want to put a little bit... Actually... If... Oh, the problem could still be these not coming on. Alright. Or those, or that specifically, and whichever one's the paint gun. Not spawning specifically on the player. Reference. Okay, let's take a look at this. Relative to this entity, measure, move, entity to measure, entity whose movement you want to measure. You know what I did before is I think I have put this one as a brush, invisible, and non-collidable brush that's actually on the player. So let me try that, see if that helps a little bit. Alright. Let's see, 4x4. Let's browse textures. Want invisible. Here we go. Alright, let's see if I can put this on the player. Yeah, that's not on the player. Okay. Right, on him. Oh, that looks good. Okay, let's bring it a bit more. Alright, so right inside of him. Yeah, okay. And this will be a funk brush. Funk brush should have properties. Funk brush. Oh, I think I need to get out and back in. Okay. So, funk brush. Apply. Still, okay, that wasn't the problem. I was pretty sure Funk Brush was something that was in it. Brush, yeah, Funk Brush. What am I doing wrong here? Funk Brush, yeah? Kind of, maybe? Sort of. Alright. Let's try creating it again. So this time I'll do it nearer to the player. And Funk Brush. Here we go. There's the properties. Okay. Paint brush. Solidity. Never solid. Otherwise, it would keep the player from being able to move, which is kind of annoying. I didn't mean to do that. Alright. And let's make this invisible. I don't have that. Quick. Invis. Here we go. Alright, entity to measure. Paint brush. Here we go, paintbrush. Copy. Wrong one. Okay. Paintbrush. Let's try that. Alright. See you in game. Alright. Let's see if this works. Grab this. Okay, that part didn't work. That part doesn't work. I mean, at least it looks pretty good for spraying. So let's try to fix that then. Alright, let me try. Maybe this one is supposed to be player and the other two are supposed to be paintbrush. I'm just really guessing around here, seeing what works. Paintbrush. Alright. Alright. Paint brush. Ooh, no. Paint brush. And change this one to player. Alright, let's hope this works. See you in game. Alright, well, hopefully this evolve will work. Huh? Oh. Ooh. There's definitely progress of some sort going on here. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I think I need the brush to be a bit higher up, but I think that's working. Yeah, okay. Let me mess around with that then. Okay, let's see. This is working still. That's good. Alright. So, problem here. Well, first of all, paint won't show up without light. But let me turn the blobs per second up a bit. Let's try 100. Hopefully that doesn't crash something. Alright, and let's move the brush up a bit. Brush it up a bit. Alright. There we go. And let's let's put a great big light or two in here. Alright. Let's see. Oops. Alright. Light. Let there be light. Okay, that's plenty of brightness, I hope. Yeah, I definitely hope so. Alright. Alright. I think that'll do it. See you in game. Okay. Let's see. This is working still. That's good. Alright. So, problem here. Well, first of all, paint won't show up without light. But let me turn the blobs per second up a bit. Let's try 100. Hopefully that doesn't crash something. Alright, and just move the brush up a bit. Brush it up a bit. Alright. There we go. And let's put a great big light or two in here. Alright. See. Oops. Alright. Light. Let there be light. Okay, that's plenty of brightness, I hope. Yeah, I definitely hope so. Alright. Alright. I think that'll do it. See you in game. Okay. Seems to be a distinct lack of lighting here. But this looks a bit better-ish. Oh! Oh, that's interesting. Okay, this is measuring to the brush. So what we need to do is make it so the brush is what the logic measure movement is moving around, and have each sprayer hooked up to the brush. That'll make it a bit easier. Alright, should be good. Alright, so what was I doing? Oh, okay, yeah. Need to get the brush. Let's see. Yeah. Wait. No, but if the brush is... Maybe I need two brushes. I might have done that. Yeah, let's... No. To measure. Movement reference, measure reference. To measure. Well, eye position. Let's try that. It's the wrong one. Okay. So I wasn't expecting as much troubleshooting needed since I've done this all before. But that's definitely a success right there. I just need to get the lights working. But yeah, alright. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. There's a couple things I need to do. Alright. So I just turned paint on in the menu. Maybe there is light here, and oh, I can't really see that as like the explanation. Nope, nope, light's definitely missing. But I know that there are lights around there. Alright. Time to troubleshoot some more. Here we go. Here we go. So what I did is I restarted the program, and then I restarted Portal 2. By program I meant Hammer. Okay. Haha. You see that? How it's like just sticking to the wall and it's not like spreading further? That's a good sign. That means I did that right. Alright. Haha. Alright. Alright. This working? Yes, it's working. Okay. So, I'm going to put a little bit more of a delay on this. Let's try 0.5. That should hopefully do that. And see, do any of these use the sprayer at all anymore? No. No. Okay. So, I'm just going to copy the sprayer a few times. And let's see. Blue, red, white, clear, and reflection. Okay. I'll name each of these something different. Okay, paint blue. That'll be good. Paint red, orange. Orange is just a little bit cooler than red. Orange. Paint type. Speed. Okay. Let's see. Paint type. Portal. White. Alright. Paint reflect. See, stick. And this one is clean. Paint. Clean. Erase area. Alright, now where are these attached? Is that here? Here it is. New. I feel like this is parented. Parent. There's nothing under parent though. How did I do that? Okay, here, paint blue. Alright, so I'm gonna have to make a few of these. Okay. Paint measure blue. See if that destroys anything. think so. Oh, it's right here. This is a still paint measure. No inputs. Okay. So yeah, that's completely safe. Paint measure blue. Paint measure orange. Paint measure... Let's see, the third one was portal. White. Paint measure reflect. And paint measure clean. Okay. Paint clean. Alright, paint reflect. Paint white. See. Paint orange. Alright, now I need a logic case. So I can just kind of scroll in between them. Okay. They should also have properties. Now to get back out and back in. Alright. Nope, wrong thing. There it is. Okay, now for the logic case. Logic case. Here we go. Case 1. Okay, value 1, value 2. Okay, I'm going to go up to 5. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now I need a few logic relays. Here we go. Okay, relay blue. Let's fit this right behind it. There we go. Get this to look as neat as possible. Okay, relay orange. Relay white. And I'm going to explain this. Oh, I hope I do. Explain this after I've got everything here. White. Relay reflect. Alright. And relay erase, or clean. Okay, so I want each relay to get the appropriate sprayer to spray. Okay. On trigger, paint blue, start. Am I gonna need 2 of these? And is there another on trigger? No. Yeah, I'm gonna need 2 of these. Okay. One for starting it and one for stopping it. So let me get all these selected. And okay. And get rid of this. No. No reason to get rid of it, just change it. Stop. Alright. Let's see, this is still running. Good. Okay, relay orange. Should probably name these as 1 and 2. Relay orange. Start. Blue start. Alright. Let's see if I can speed this up. Start. 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 Relay blue. Okay. Relay? Why do I have relay there twice? Stop it. Alright. Did I do the same thing here? Yes, I did. That doesn't make much sense. Put that here too. Go, and the rest should be okay. Stop. Okay. Copy. Alright. So I've got the programming for each of those. Let's see, outputs. Add on trigger. This is the start. So orange starts. Okay. Copy. Paste and switch this to stop. Alright. Switch over to here. Here. Paste again. Switch it to here. And stop. Paste, switch to here. Copy. paste, stop. Okay. Paste, switch to here, copy, paste, switch to stop. Alright. Let me just double check these. Stop, 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 stop. Blue, orange, white, reflect, clean, blue, orange, white, reflect, clean, white, reflect. Okay. I'm fairly satisfied now. Okay. Now, I'm going to get all of these to start off. Start disabled, yes. Okay, now they're all started disabled. And now the logic case, wherever I put that, here it is. Let's see. Okay. On case 1, stop, C. Enabled. Copy paste. Start. Disabled. Oh, no, enabled still. Actually, I see no reason why the stops shouldn't all be enabled. That would certainly help a bit. Should also save a bit of time with this. Okay, so stop, delete that. Alright, copy paste. On case 2, orange start. Copy paste. Case 3, white start, enable. Copy paste. On case 4, reflect start, enable. Yep. Paste. On case 5, erase start, enable. And on case 1, okay, I don't want to do that. Stop that. Alright, need a new one. Alright, on case 1, clean start is disabled. On case 2, no. On case 2, blue is disabled. On case 3, white is disabled. No, orange is disabled. It's a little confusing. Alright, the reason why I'm doing this is because when the case goes on to the next, I want it to disable the logic relays that are allowing the sprayers to spray. Alright, Case 3, orange start disable. Copy, paste on case 4. Okay. Third one disable. Copy, paste. On case 5, the fourth one is disabled. Looks good, I hope. Okay, so now back to here. Okay. So on press attack, I think I can do this a little cleaner. Just delete these. Create one more logic relay. Okay. Paints on. Paints spray relay. Okay. Let's move this above the first group. No, that's not the first group. Okay. That looks right. Just positioning it in areas that I can remember these easier. Alright, so C, trigger. Copy, paste, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Paints unspray relay. Stop. White start, white stop. Reflect start, reflect stop. Clean start, clean stop. Okay. So, add on attack, on press attack, start spraying all of them that are enabled. Well, yeah, trigger. Copy, paste. When unpress attack, it's relay trigger. Okay. And for right clicking, when press attack 2, the logic case, which I don't think has a name. No, it doesn't have a name. Spray case. Okay. Spray case. And no. can't increment it by 1. Okay, let's see if I can find another way to increment it. Let's see. Let's see, on case 1, paint interface, new. It's counting on being able to increment it. Oh, math counter. That's what I'll use. Okay, another object. Math counter. Let's see. Paint math. Okay, minimum is 1, maximum is 6. Okay, so I click spray case. Let me put that math in a more betterer place. Okay, so paint math. Let's see, add 1. Okay, output on get value, spray case. Let's see, is there I guess it's in value? No, maybe. So talk about in values here. Output value, just value. Doesn't say. Alright. It's the only thing that seems to work, so I'll go for it. So I do remember doing this before. There's something like this. So initial value is 1. Start disabled new. On get values in value. So hopefully that'll put the value over. So on hit max, yourself. Set value 1. Alright, let's give this a shot. Alright, so grab this, hit that, and it's not spraying. Alright. Yay. That didn't work as planned. Alright. Oh, more troubleshooting. So I'm not quite sure where my error in logic is with this. I want to do some more looking at it tomorrow. I'm getting a bit too tired for this. So this will be the end of day 1, and I expect this to take 4 to 5 days. I'll be uploading day 2 tomorrow. If you have any input or advice for the level, just let me know. I plan on doing this all this week since the challenge for the level was for it all to be done in 1 week, so I'm going to try to enjoy doing that. And thanks for watching. See ya.